Hello, my fellow Nigerians, on the issue of Naomi and Hamzat Oriyomu. The causes 18 count charges of manslaughter filed over Ibadan Funfair tragedy. Oni's ex-wife, others dragged to court. Hey, this is what is ongoing now. Oyo charges three over Ibadan Funfair stampede deaths. Defense challenges detention. Bail ruling expected January 13. Prosecutors emphasize justice for victims. Oppose bail applications. The Oyo State government has filed an 18-count charge, including manslaughter, against Naomi Shilekunla and the former wife of the Ooni of Ife, Oriyomu Hamzat, Chief Executive Officer of Agidigbo FM, and Fasasi Abdullahi, Principal of Islamic High School. These charges stem from the tragic stampede at a Christmas funfair in Ibadan, which resulted in the deaths of more than 35 children. According to an insider within the government, the charges were officially filed to address the incident devastating aftermath. The court will most likely grant bail on Monday, but the state government has filed an 18-count charge of manslaughter and similar offences against the defendants, the sources disclosed. Brothers and sisters, you see, additionally, this defense raised constitutional concern, questioning the validity of the holding charge under which the accused had been remanded. They argued that the measure lacks recognition under the administration of criminal justice. On the other hand, the prosecution, led by the Oyo State Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice, Abiodun Ekohotblog, opposed the bail applications. Ekohotblog maintained that the accused had failed to provide convincing reasons for their release and dismissed claims of political persecution. The gravity of the charges and the need for justice for the victims and their families necessitate the continued detention of the accused persons, he argued. His ex-wife, manslaughter, Ibadan Funfair. After hearing both sides, Justice K.B. Olawoyin reserved judgment on the bail application until Monday, January 13, 2025. The case focuses on 3 defendants, Naomi Shilekunla, Oriyomu Hamzat, and Fasasi Abdullahi, who now wait the court's decision. My brothers and sisters, they should see all these politics issues. It's a political issue. They should go and release all these people because they are innocent. Well, all these things have been happening. That's why. Since why? Since all this while, stampede here and there, nobody was arrested. But on the issue of Naomi and Hamzat and Abdullahi, their own case is quite different from others. They should see to it and they resolve this issue. In a related issue, hear what they are saying again concerning the issue of this stampede. You see, they said the stampede issue When Naomi others alleged illegal detention. The court had, on December 24, remanded the trio in prison over the death of more than 35 children during a Christmas funfair they organized in Ibadan, which resulted in a fatal stampede. The defendants spent both Christmas and New Year's Day at the Nigerian Correctional Services facilities in Agodi. You see, this is what we are saying, that they should temper justice with mercy. During Tuesday's hearing at High Court 8, Ring Road, Ibadan, the defense counsel urged the court to admit them to bail, but the Oyo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Abiodun Ekohotblog, opposed to the bail request, insisting that the applicants had not shown sufficient grounds for their release. The bail request of the applicant must not be granted by the court. Ekohotblog stated he also countered claims of persecution by the state government, describing them as unfounded. Earlier, the defense counsel argued that their client's detention was unconstitutional, citing procedural irregularities and challenging the court's jurisdiction. They maintained that the holding charge used to remand the suspects was not recognized under Nigeria's Administration of Criminal Justice Act. Wahid Olajide, representing Fasasi Abdullahi, principal of Islamic High School, Bashorun, argued that the detention was unjustified. No formal charges is preferred against the applicant before any court of competent jurisdiction, Olajide said. He further emphasized Abdullahi's poor health condition, stating the law makes provision for exceptional circumstances, which include ill health, upon which the suspects can be released on bail. The applicant is battling with his health and needs to be taken care of medically. Shilekunola's lawyer, Musibao Adetunbi San, described her continued detention as unconstitutional. Anybody can be detained, but it must be in accordance with the law, irrespective of the offences committed, he argued. The applicants are being held in detention pursuant to a holding charge which is not known in the criminal administration of justice. Oyo State government has acted illegally with the continued detention of the suspects in the prison custody. All the evidences presented by the defense counsel to buttress their case are zero. Hamza's lawyer, Adekunle Sobaloju San, similarly contended that the detention violated constitutional provisions. The holding charge used to clamp the suspects in the prison custody is not known in the criminal administration of justice, Sobaloju argued. My brothers and sisters, they should do and release all these innocent people, but because it was not their fault. You see, this is what we are saying in Nigeria. Politics everywhere, here and there. Why would they hold them till this while? Until this while, see what is happening in Nigeria. My brothers and sisters, in the comment section, you are free to say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. God bless Oyo State. Thanks and God bless. Amen.